What up everybody, I'm Matt Field and I drive the Falcon Tire C6 Corvette right here. Heading into 2022, I did absolutely nothing to this car other than put new things. New engine, new gearbox, new diff, new pulley setup, new supercharger. That's it. Other than that, it's like new body panels, new paint, and go. Took it out of the trailer, went to testing, and it was like I never stopped driving the car during the off season. So that's what I wanted to do going into this season. We gotta remember we have 4 years under our belt with this chassis, so I think at this point it's fairly refined, and we're just trying to make it as reliable as possible. So in this particular car, we use a Link Thunder. Now, we've had this ECU in the car for the last 3 years, and it's the same ECU that's been in the car. I know that Link always has spare ECUs for all their drivers. Never had to ask, never had to use it. It's been great working with Link because they're the type of company who I can reach directly out to somebody and they can get back to me right away. The tech support side of things is next to none. We not only have a Link ECU in my race car, but we also utilize it in as many customer cars as possible. And you know, cars are cars. There's always some sort of weird backfeeding thing based off of this harness that this person built. This relay is not firing, the ignition this, or you know, there's always something on a new build. And Link is great because I can reach out to somebody, they can log in, get on TeamViewer, open up the ECU parameters. Maybe it's something we missed, maybe it's something that the wiring harness is, maybe it's something that the tuner missed. Either way, they're there for us.
Let's wrap it up. Put some scallops on it. Second place here on the streets of Long Beach. Here's your carbon fiber trophy. The Beast from the Bay, Matt Field.